In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a device that aims to help with boardroom conference calls, as well as the transition to work from home. With the eMeet Luna Speakerphone, the specs show that it's compatible with most communication platforms, including Teams and Zoom. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press that like button and subscribe. First out of the box, we have the warranty card and the user manual, a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB-C charging cable, a USB Bluetooth dongle, and the eMeet Luna. 3 built-in microphones for 360-degree audio pickup, voice AI technology, which aims to amplify your voice while eliminating the background noise. If you're in a larger room, you can pick up multiple Lunas and daisy chain them together to ensure everyone's voice is being picked up clearly. While it's Bluetooth, you do have the option to use it with a USB-C cord, or you can use it with a 3.5mm audio cable. And with the built-in battery, you'll be able to move around freely regardless of where the power outlet's located. The Luna is made of a hard plastic body and is roughly 5 inches in diameter. On the top, you have the mechanical buttons that you're going to use to control the device, as well as a row of LED indicators that you can use to check your volume, microphone, and battery status. Over on the side of the unit, you have your USB-C connection, a 3.5mm out jack to connect to a speaker or daisy chain to another Luna. Next to that, we have the 3.5mm audio in port, and a cable lock slot to secure your device. The indents along the perimeter of the device is where you're going to find your 3 mics. On the bottom, you're going to find a storage location for your USB dongle, as well as rubber feet to keep your device from sliding around. The setup is really simple, regardless what method you're using for your Bluetooth connection, whether it's the dongle or the built-in Bluetooth on the device. All you need to do is go into your Bluetooth connections and do a search for the Bluetooth device. If you're out of battery or running low, just plug in the 3.5mm audio cable or the USB-C cable into your computer and you'll be all set. It's as simple as that. The buttons on top of the speakerphone are very responsive, and it makes it easy to know when it's pressed. Let's take a look at each of the buttons and see what it does. Starting with the first one on the left is the noise reduction on and off switch. It'll give you a voice prompt every time it's activated or disabled.
Voice AI on.
You can see that the LEDs on the top turn violet once it's enabled. Next, we have the button to pick up and hang up calls, the volume down button, the mute button, which will turn the LEDs red when it's enabled. To the right, we have the volume up button. The Bluetooth button can be used with one press to disconnect or connect your Bluetooth device, or you can hold it down to start the Bluetooth pairing process. The last button on the right is your power button, which you can use to check your battery level, as well as turn on or off the device by holding the button down. While the speakerphone worked with Teams and Hangouts, the buttons on the device were limited to the device itself, with the exception of the volume controls. Meaning I couldn't use the buttons to actually pick up or hang up Teams calls. The mute button worked directly on the device, but I would have preferred to have the mute button toggle it within the app. Next, I'm going to be taking you through some microphone samples. I got some crowd effects going in the background to see how well it does at canceling the background noise. Let's check it out. This is a microphone sample now with the voice AI turned off. And now I'm going to toggle the voice AI to see how well it does at canceling the background noise. Now that I've turned on the voice AI, you can probably hear that the background noise has been pretty much canceled out. But let me know what you think of the quality of the mics down in the comments down below. While using the speakerphone, I was able to get 8.5 hours of usage off of a single charge. That was while using it at 80% volume and voice AI turned on at various times. To finish off the review, the audio you're listening to right now is coming directly to you through the Luna speaker at 100%. All the product links can be found in the description down below, and since you're there, hit that like button and help the channel grow by hitting that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.